So what do I think about the Bailey Gifford Japanese fund in your portfolio? Does it cause me cause for concern? What should you ask your wealth manager? What should you be looking at if it is in there? Let's look at certain things which are somewhat of a concern with this. Of course, Japan's been doing rather well 2024. However, what is your strategy given that if it's just simply buy and hold, well, you can have prolonged periods of 0% gain, which you might be happy with, but that's from 2020 to 2024 would get you a 0% gain. So just simply holding for 3 years of no returns can't be a good strategy, and certainly not with Japan, because it has a habit of delivering you nothing for long periods of time. Therefore, presumably you have some methodology of timing. In which case, what is it? Was it just, well, Japan seems good, I thought I'd get in because it recently did well? Well, be careful if you've just got in because something recently did well, because, as you can see here, it did recently well. And let's say you got in there, then you ended up with actually a negative return. So recent historic performance should always be taken as no guarantee to the future, of course. Or put another way, you need a better strategy. It did all right recently, and I heard a few newspaper reports. So just be careful and ask what your wealth manager IFA strategy is for getting you out. If, as I say, they say just buy and hold forever, that's no good. If they, because for reasons I've shown, if it is some sort of form of timing, well, what is it? Tell them to be specific. If it's not data driven, but it's based on narrative and just, well, we'll see how it goes, the managers are awfully clever and went to the right universities and all the rest of it, that narrative will not lead to success in investing. That is one thing I will guarantee you about investing. Anyway, have a look at the links in the bio. If you want to get better at investing and improve your pension, look at the free educational material on my campaignforamillion.com, campaignforamillion.com. Thank you.